Behind me is the Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS. There's a 37-foot long middle bunk room fifth wheel with 3 slide outs, 2 air conditioners, got solar on the roof, it's 4 seasons, and it even has an outside kitchen. Let's see in this video whether or not it's worth the $91,000 MSRP. This model has been very popular for us because it has Grand Design written on the sidewall. Everyone knows within the RV industry that the Grand Design products are built to a better quality standard and definitely have much better service when it comes time to ownership of the RV. But more importantly, I think why this model has been so popular is because in order for you to get a middle bunk room floor plan, you normally need to go over 40 feet long. This model comes in just at about 37 feet, which gives you the ability to get into most state and national parks, but more importantly, it only weighs right around 11,000 pounds dry, which means it's towable by most 3/4 ton trucks. So let's get into the highlights and features. You have a massive awning, and underneath of that are some exterior speakers, but more importantly, you have an outside kitchen. It's got its own griddle along with a refrigerator, and to the left you have a spray port so you could wash off any of your dirty dishes. Entering into your trailer, you have 4 solid entry steps by MORryde. These MORryde steps fold up and out of the way when it comes time for travel. You have 16-inch Goodyear Endurance tires. These are 10-ply load range E. They're using the MORryde CRE 3000. This will reduce stress on the RV frame. It'll protect the trailer from road shock because of its rubber insert, and it'll even provide you improved towing as it has 3 inches of travel in the suspension. At the back of the trailer, you have this massive bay window, which will allow tons of natural light inside, but we'll get to that once we show you the floor plan. I want to point out you have a rear access ladder up top to the roof. While we're up there, you can see it has 2 air conditioning systems that are ducted together. And in addition to that, it even has 370 watts of solar that'll help trickle charge the 12-volt batteries up front. Many people don't know this, and we're certainly not promoting it, but because Grand Design does a laminated slide box, it gives it the structural integrity it needs for you to stand up on top of the slide and perform any maintenance as needed. It's pre-wired for a Furrion rear observation camera. As you're cruising down the road, you can see what's behind you. At the rear, you have a 2-inch receiver that's rated for 300 pounds tongue weight and a 3,000 pound towing capacity. It even has wiring here at the back. So this could be used for those of you that want to store your bikes, kayaks, storage racks, or even double tow in states that allow it. They're using the Nautilus P4 system. This is an area where you can control all water lines, whether you want to fill up your fresh water tank, winterize, flush out your black tank, or even connect to your normal city water connection. And down low, you can see they have gray and black tank valves that are easy to access, preventing you from climbing up and underneath of your trailer, where you could possibly bump your head on a slide out. This has 4-point electric auto leveling. Pull into the campground, disconnect from your trailer, and at a push of a button, your trailer will automatically level itself. Now that we're inside, I just want to commentate on this floor plan. This has become so popular because it's a mid-bunk fifth wheel that is less than 40 feet long. You have an incredible living space here in the rear that has a ton of natural lighting. And new for 23, they have an updated interior that just overall brightens up the entire feel of this model. On the kitchen side slide out, you have a 16 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. You have a massive fridge on one side along with the freezer on the other side. With the Reflection, you get residential style appliances. You have a full-size microwave, a 3-burner cooktop with removable metal grates, and an oven that you can almost fit a full-size turkey in. In the entertainment area, you have a smart TV where you can stream some of your favorite entertainment channels, and directly below that you have a 5,000 BTU electric fireplace. The back of the trailer here, to me, is what sells this floor plan. You have huge windows all the way around, letting in tons of natural lighting. I can imagine backing the trailer up, and you could look out of these windows at some beautiful scenery. Now, that's not to mention that this booth area is massive. You could actually seat a full family all the way around it, but for those of you that have some larger children, this folds down into a huge additional sleeping area. Right across from the entertainment center, you have 3 recliners that fold all the way down nice and flat, so they're gonna be great for that mid-afternoon nap. But for those of you that like some of the extra bells and whistles, they even have heat and massage seats to the 2 recliners on both ends. This wouldn't be a bunkhouse fifth wheel without a huge pantry. Right next to your recliners, you have a massive area for you to be able to stow all of your dried goods. This bunk room is dynamite. Tons of floor space, a lot of natural light. You've got 72-inch long bunk beds. The one on the bottom is wider, and you've even got storage for all of their stuff. And if you really want to be a great host, they even have an area in here for you to plug in a TV. On the way to the master bedroom and bathroom, you've got your all-in-one convenience center. This is by Compass Connect. You can download an app and control every item that's on this panel here, all from the touch of a button using a cell phone app. The master bathroom has everything you need. Glass shower doors, a deep stand-in shower, nice high-rise faucet, a skylight to give in some natural light. You even have a fan up and overhead, a medicine cabinet directly behind you, and a medicine cabinet right across from that. You have a Furrion on-demand gas water heater. Simply set your desired temperature, and as soon as you get inside of the shower, you're gonna have instant, endless hot water. Now, this is one of my favorite master bedrooms I've ever seen. The design is just absolutely stunning. It's got a nice headboard, a lot of beautiful natural light.